My favorite pair of jeans is a boyfriend jean. I can wear them all day long and never be uncomfortable. And I personally love a lot of distress, and that's what you get with these. They are truly a boyfriend jean. They just fit looser. I have on a 5 in them. That's what I normally wear, is a 5. They have polyester and cotton and spandex in them. You can see them from behind here. I have them on with tennis shoes because I'm just really relaxed today, but I would put a wedge on them with them as well, maybe dress them up a little bit. How cute would they be with a sweatshirt this fall? Like I said, they are very distressed, but I like that. So anyway, they come in sizes 3 through 16W. So that's a nice run there. But anyway, Judy Blues are tried and true, and that's what these are. We continue to buy them. We continue to buy them because you continue to buy them. If you're in between sizes, maybe size down. I'm a true 5, so I got the 5. But if sometimes I wore a 5 and maybe sometimes I wore a 7, I think I would have sized down in those. So only if you teeter between sizes, sometimes might you size down these. They're a little bit slouchier boyfriend jean if you like that look. So anyway, of course they're in store. I bought a ton of them hoping that they would last me at least till the beginning of school, get school started. Well, that's not going to happen. We did a big live with them last night. We have just cleaned them out. So if you love them, you should snag them now. They're in our store. Of course, you can buy them right here online, and you can shop them on our Comment Sold at libbiesboutique.commentsold.com.